Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 11.4 of lesson 11 mensuration. In the I-link above I have shared the exercise 11.2 and 11.3. So in this exercise we are going to see what is volume. So volume is the quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface is called as volume. Units are meter cube and centimeter cube. So that is the quantity of the three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. So if this is a cuboid, so whatever is the quantity in the cuboid box, that is called as a volume. So volume of cuboid is given by the formula L into B into H. Volume of cube equal to side cube, as you put S here, because in the cube all the length, breadth and height are of equal length, so that becomes S cube. Then volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is the formula. And for conversion of meter cube to liters is 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters, and also and also 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So these are the conversions that you must remember. Next is, let us start with exercise 11.4. The first question given here is, given a cylindrical tank, in which situation you will find surface area and which situation you will find volume. So this is these are the situations given here. You have to say by which formula you can find this thing. To find how much it can hold. To find how much it can hold means you have to find the capacity. So whenever you have to find the capacity of the instrument or of the tank or anything like that, then you have to find the volume. Then number of cement bags required to plaster it. So plaster we are doing outside only, so it is the surface area. Then number of the smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. So this you have to fill with, then it is found by finding the volume. Second question is, diameter of a cylinder A is given as 7 and height is given as 14. That of cylinder B, the diameter is given as 14 and height is given as 7 here. Okay. So for this, when the diameter is 7, radius will be 7 by 2, and here when the diameter is 14, radius will be 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. This is centimeter and this is also centimeter. So what you have to find without doing any calculation, you can suggest whose volume is greater. Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinders. So you have to find the volume of both the cylinders here. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. So here you have to find volume as well as the surface area. Okay. So formula for volume is pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 14. So you can cancel it here. So 7 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2, 11s are. Okay. And here 7 will get cancelled. The remaining is 22 into 49. And this is remaining is 11 into 7 7s is 49. So 11 into 49, it becomes 539 centimeter cube is the volume of cylinder A, and here it becomes 22 into 49, so it becomes 1078 centimeter cube, that is the volume of cylinder B. So whose volume is greater, that you have to write here, that is volume of cylinder B, volume of cylinder B is double that of cylinder A, is double that of cylinder A. Then you have to find the total surface area also. For total surface area, 2 into 22 by 7 into R is here 7 by 2. That becomes 7 by 2 plus 14. Okay. So this will be now, if you cancel the numbers, this becomes, and here if you are substituting the values, so it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 and 7 plus 7. Okay. So here 7 will get cancelled. So this way. So here it will be 22, 3.5 plus 14, and here it will be 44, and 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay. So on solving this, you will get the answer here as 385 centimeters square, and here you will get the answer as 616 centimeters square. So which cylinder has the greater surface area? That is cylinder B. B has greater surface area. Okay. So cylinder B, volume of cylinder B and volume of cylinder surface area of the cylinder, both are greater than A. Third question is here. This is a cuboid given. This is length, breadth and height. Okay. So area of the base is given as 180 centimeter square. Area of the base means this one. So that is length into breadth is given as 180 centimeter square. Volume, value of the volume is given as 900 centimeter cube. So you have to find height. So volume of cuboid is L into B into H, where L into B is given as 180. You have to find H. So H equal to 900 upon 180, that gives 5 centimeters. That is the height of the cuboid. Then this one, a cuboid of dimension 60, 54 and 30. Then how many small cubes with size 6 can be placed in this cuboid? So these cubes should be placed in this cuboid. How many such number of cubes can be placed? You have to find it. So now here volume of cuboid will be equal to volume of cuboid is L into B into H, that is 60 into 54 into 30. If you don't solve it, that is not necessary in such questions to solve it. Then also the answer will be here 97200 centimeter cube. But if you keep it as it is, no problem. Now volume of cube. Volume of cube is side cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 centimeter cube. So now here you have to find number of small cubes. So number of cubes to be placed in given cuboid will be equal to volume of cuboid. Always the greater number or the greater factor will be in the numerator. Volume of cuboid upon volume of cube. Okay. So volume of cuboid is 97200 upon, this is 216. On cancelling you get 450 cubes. So the number of cubes to be placed in the cuboid are 450. So 450 cubes of length, breadth and height 6 centimeter can accommodate in the cuboid of length, breadth and height of 60, 54 and 30. Fifth one is You have to find the height of the cylinder whose volume has been given as 1.54 meter cube. Okay. Then diameter of the base has been given. This diameter has been given. You have to find the radius, that becomes 0.7 meter. Since volume is in meter, so convert this radius, it was in centimeter to meter. Now volume, write the formula for volume equal to pi r square h. So substitute all the values and find the value for h. It will be 1 meter. So height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Question 6 is, this is a milk tank which is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and the length is total here 7 meter. Now you have to find the quantity of milk and in liters. So quantity of milk means you have to find the volume. So radius of the milk tank is given, length means height is given. Substitute in the formula of volume all the values. So volume of milk is pi r square h, that is 22/7. R is 1.5, square means 2 times, into height is 7. Okay. So 7 will get cancelled here. The remaining is 22. 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25 meter cube. So that will be equal to 49.50 meter cube. Okay. Now they are asking in liters. So it will be 49.50 multiplied by 1000. It will be 49500 liters. This is the answer. Okay. Seventh one is, if each edge of a cube is double, how many times its surface area will increase and how many times its volume will increase? So we don't know the length of this cube. Let us guess it, assume it as x here. So if it get double, its length will be 2x here. So for original surface area of the cube, by taking x as a value, formula is 6a square, so it becomes 6x square units. New surface area after doubling it, so it will be 6 into 2x square, that becomes 24x square. So the ratio will be 6x square is to 24x square. So x square will get cancelled and 6 1s are 6 4s are. So that is 1:4. The ratio is 1:4. That means the new surface area will be 4 times the original surface area. Then also you have to find for the volume. So original volume is, formula is a cube for cube. So a equal to x here, so x cube. New volume will be a equal to 2x here, so it will be 8x cube. 2 cube is 8x cube. So the ratio equal to x cube is to 8x cube, that is 1:8. So the volume will increase by 8 times. The new volume will be 8 times more than that of the original volume. Okay. So this way you have to solve question 7. Question number 8 now. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of a reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it takes to fill the reservoir. Now this is a reservoir whose volume is given as 108 meter cube. So it is in meter cube, convert into liter, multiply by 1000. Okay. And the water is pouring into it by a pipe at a speed of 60 liters per minute. So it is in 1 minute 60 liters. So time taken to fill the reservoir is volume of the reservoir upon rate of flowing the water. So 108,000 divided by 60. Okay. 0 get cancelled and 1800 minutes. So convert it into hours, that is divided by 60, it becomes 30 hours. So it will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. So this is how you have to do your question number 8 now. So that's all for now. If you have any query, you can drop into the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.